Who doesn't want to pay rent? I don't, and neither does one of my tenants apparently. I just went through my first eviction where my tenant was behind on paying a little over $8,500, which is about 10 months of rent. Now, I didn't want to have to do this. I tried to work with her. First, we came up with a plan for her to pay back the rent in small chunks, and then she didn't follow it. And then we came up with a second plan, and then she didn't follow that one either. If I compare this to literally anything else, like going out to eat, let's say you order appetizers, drinks, a main course, and desserts, and then you just decide not to pay, you would get kicked out and not allowed back. So let's all imagine this dream world where we wouldn't have to pay rent. What would actually happen? Eventually, the owner would run out of money, stop paying their mortgage, property taxes, and repairs. That would mean that your school, police, fire, EMT, library, and garbage departments would all take a massive hit, making your neighborhoods dangerous, dirty, and dumb. All the houses would start to fall apart because no one would be fixing them up. As an investor, evicting is literally my last resort. So here's something we can do to help each other out. $46 billion was given from the US government over the last 2 years to help people pay for rent. Also, every state and county have their own rent relief programs too. If you or a friend are struggling to pay rent, or you're an investor that has a tenant that's falling behind, look up rental relief programs in your state. The truth is, investors are people too, and we want to work with you. Let's work on keeping our neighborhoods nice. We worked with the tenant to get rent relief. This way she could stay in the property and get her caught up. I left the rent relief program information in my profile to help all you.